Beneath our feet lies a world teeming with life, a world of relentless activity, intricate social structures, and astonishing survival strategies. Welcome to the amazing world of ants. Ants have been around for over 100 million years, evolving from wasp-like ancestors during the Cretaceous period. They have witnessed the rise and fall of dinosaurs and have thrived through countless environmental changes.
Ants are one of the most successful species on Earth. Their ability to adapt and evolve has allowed them to colonize almost every terrestrial habitat. Ants play a crucial role in their ecosystems. They are both predators and prey, helping to maintain the balance of nature.
With over 12,000 known species, ants come in a stunning variety of shapes and sizes. From the aggressive army ants to the leafcutter ants that farm fungi, each species has unique characteristics and behaviors. Ants are found on every continent except Antarctica. They thrive in diverse habitats, from tropical rainforests to arid deserts. Their diet is equally varied, ranging from nectar and seeds to other insects and even small animals.
Ants play a crucial role in their ecosystems. They are both predators and prey, helping to maintain the balance of nature.
Ants live in highly organized colonies, often consisting of millions of individuals. Each colony is a superorganism with a strict social hierarchy. Work distribution in an ant colony is a marvel of nature. Tasks are divided based on age and role, ensuring the colony's survival and efficiency. The life cycle of an ant consists of 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. This metamorphosis can take several weeks to months, depending on the species and environmental conditions. Ants are vital to our planet's health. They aerate the soil, aid in seed dispersal, and control pest populations. Their ecological contributions are invaluable.
Ants communicate through chemical signals called pheromones, which help coordinate their activities and maintain social order. Also have economic importance. They are used in biological control programs and have inspired algorithms in computer science for optimizing complex systems.
From their ancient origins to their complex societies, ants are a testament to the wonders of evolution. They remind us of the intricate connections that sustain life on Earth. The next time you see an ant, take a moment to appreciate the incredible world it represents.